Hi, this is Mr. Tipton, and today we are looking at the surface area of cones and spheres. We're going to start with cones, and here is our formula for the surface area of a cone, pi r squared plus pi r L. Alright, the first part of our formula, the pi r squared, that's our circle. Okay, surface area of the circle, so that would be the bottom of this cone. Plus pi r L, that's going to find the rest of it. R is the radius of the circle. L is the lateral height, or the slant height of the cone. The lateral height is different from the actual height. The actual height of the cone would make a right angle with the circle, but we need L, the lateral height, to find the area of that part that goes all the way around the cone at the angle. Alright, let's do a couple of these. Pi r squared plus pi r L. Feel free to pause and get yourself set up, or try it on your own first if you want, and then hit play to see how it goes. But I'm just going to substitute in everything that I know. Pi, we're going to use 3.14, and the radius of this cone is 2 squared, plus pi r L, 3.14 again, times 2. And L is 4. They have not given us the H, and that's fine. We don't need the H. That would be the actual height. We're not using it for surface area of a cone. We use it for something else. Alright, let's go back. Let's be sure we do the exponent first. Probably put it in your calculator, but just be safe. 2 squared is 4. Alright, surface area. I'm going to get my calculator out, and we've got 3.14 times 4. I could put the entire expression into the calculator at the same time, but I don't know. I'm afraid of hitting the wrong button. I just think it's a little smarter, a little safer to break it down in pieces. Sometimes, too, it depends on the problem that you're doing. Anyway, the second part here, we've got 3.14 times 2 times 4 is 25.12. Let's get that calculator back. Where'd it go? There it is. And add those together, plus 12.56. So the surface area of this cone is 37.68 square feet. It's surface area. That's a two-dimensional thing that we're finding. So square feet. There weren't any directions that told us to round to the nearest tenth or nearest whole number, so we just left it as it was. Let's do another, just to be sure that we know what's going on. 3.14, radius is 6 squared, 3.14 again, 6 again, and our lateral height, our slant height, is 9. 6 squared is 36. Don't want to forget that. Definitely going to want to bring the calculator back. 3.14 times 36, 113.04. Let's see about the other half. 3.14 times 6 times 9 is 54. 169.56. And we will add the 113.04 to that, and we'll get a surface area of 282 and 6/10 meters, square meters. Alright, so that's the formula. Let's plug it in. That's cones. Let's talk about spheres. Spheres, obviously, a three-dimensional circle is what people like to call it. It is just 4 times pi times the radius squared. Alright, radius, even though it's three-dimensional, it still has a radius. It has an infinite number of radii. They're all over the place because it's a three-dimensional figure. There's one there, and 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 there. Anyway, an infinite number of radii. Surface area, 4 times pi times radius squared. We're just going to do one of these, because I think we get the idea. 4 times 3.14. The radius is 4 squared, which is going to be 16, not 8. Not 8. And throw this in the calculator. 4 times 3.14 times 16. 200.96. Again, there are no instructions to round. So I'm just going to write down everything that it gives me. And its area, so it's square millimeters. Okay, that's a quick how-to of surface area of cones and spheres. If you have questions, write them down. Talk about them in class. See you soon.